Hi, Sean here, back with another video. Looking forward to this one. Bit of a drive. It's about an hour and 20 minutes out of Sydney. Catherine Hill Bay, there's a pier there. And then later this afternoon I want to head to an abandoned power station to send it as well. So a fair bit to do. Should be a great episode. Looking forward to it. So let's get going. Alright, we're here. So this is Catherine Hill Bay. This is the old pier. It's abandoned. We've got this nice rock area down here, and then all the way along the beach. Nice ocean. It looks good. I'm keen to have a fly here for sure. Flying over cliff edges, over water, always super risky. Hey, there's always a chance that you could lose your drone, especially from where you're positioned to going down over the water. If you lose connection, once the drone's in the water, that's it. It's pretty much dead. So super risky, super nervous, don't want to lose the drone, but let's send it. Let's see what we can get. All right. Alright guys, this is it. This place is huge. Really good for sending it, that's for sure. But yeah, check out this place. Let's send it. Let's see what we can get. Check this out. pretty awesome. Huge space, several floors. It's a bit difficult getting up and down. You've got to be careful where you tread. Being an abandoned building, it's yeah, it's a bit sketchy. Sometimes as you're walking on something, it'll move on you. Yeah, have to be careful. That's a bit crazy. Just a quick break to tell you about Safety Wings and we'll get you back to the video. Now, with the activities and adventures that we show on this channel, it wouldn't be right if we didn't at least let you know about travel and medical insurance. So we do suggest Safety Wings. They do cover accidents and injuries, hospital and medical. They also cover scooters and motorbikes. They have an easy sign-up process. You can even sign up whilst you're overseas. They're competitively priced. They've got good reviews, 24-hour customer service, and there's no limit to how long you can be overseas. We do have our link in the description below. If you do use our link to sign up, we do get a small payment from Safety Wings, so it does help support the channel so we can bring you out more of these videos, and we do appreciate the support. All right, let's get back to the video. Yeah, I do have to concentrate as I make my way through this. If you see, don't watch where you're going. This place is epic. Absolutely epic. This has to be one of the coolest places ever to fly drone. So many cool little places to send it. And look at those towers. OMG. It's pretty awesome. Definitely worth coming back.